everybody, welcome back to my channel, Life with Lo. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome decor rustic book stack stamp. You could write anything you wish. This is super easy and so much fun to make. I am here to help you guide through every single direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much. I'm going to show you every little step of the way, and here we go. You will need 3 books. I got these at the dollar store for $1. A rubber stamp set. I got these at Michael's craft store. Also an ink pad, a black ink pad. I also got it at Michael's. A sponge brush or just a regular paintbrush. A white chalk paint. And any kind of greenery, or you could do flowers or any decorations. And also a burlap rope or any kind of ribbon you wish. The first thing you're gonna do, you're just gonna rip just the front of the cover. Just like that. Super easy. I was drinking my tea, so let me put this on the side. You put just like that. You see it? And then you're gonna do for all 3 of them. Okay. You guys are probably gonna hear Noah in the background, because he's right over there fighting to take a nap. Okay, so we have that. And sometimes you could paint them. You don't have to paint them, but you know, to be honest with you, I'm not sure if I want to paint it or not. I'm just trying to take all the little things out. So this is how it's gonna be. One of my books is a little bigger than the other, so I'm gonna put that on down first, and then I'm just gonna put them like this. Like I said, it's super easy. Like, as you can see right here, you could keep it like this, or if you want, you could paint it. I am going to paint this one. I'm probably gonna make another one so you guys could see how it is without painting. But it's super easy. You just take a little bit and just go back and forth. Like, don't soak it, because you guys don't want that. And then you do the same thing at the top. Just to have that, you know, that look, that old time look, that rustic look. You could do that. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just dabbing on there. As you can see, I'm just dabbing on there. It's not perfect at all. And you don't have to do at the bottom. This is actually just the top one, the top book. Okay, just the top book. And then you do that just to the front of each of the book. So they could look, you know, somewhat the same. And you do with this one too. Just a tab, and then you do that. And that's it. So the bigger book goes in the bottom. And then you have that book here and that book there. And it's okay if the first page is like twirled up because of the paint. It's okay, because it's just the way it looks. It's like the cool rustic theme look. So there it is. Let me close this up. Okay, so when you are done with it, it it should dry real quick. So the next thing I do is just get a plain piece of paper, and then what I'm gonna write here is what I'm gonna write on the books. So it's 3 books. I'm gonna write "This is us." So I'm gonna write that so I know exactly how to put the letters. So this is actually my first time opening this because I haven't used it yet. So I wish there was like a little, just take everything out. But so you get the letters. What I decided to do is lowercase. This is us. So I have it here, and then my books are pretty dry. So I'm gonna have it here, just like that. And then I have my patch. And then what I'm gonna do, you gotta start with from the last letter to the front letter so you don't get things messed up. I'm trying to see how I want this. So what I'm gonna start, you start with the S, because you're gonna put the first word is right here, so you're gonna start right here. And then be careful when you dab it, so you don't get the corners. And then you're gonna put right here, just like that. See? And then do the eye. Yeah. Like that. And it's okay if it's not perfect, because this project is not to be perfect. So then you do the H. So here it is. I have, it says "This is us," and then you close it, put that to the side. And now it all depends on what you're trying to go. You could just do just a regular burlap. You could do that with this one, and then you just wrap it around couple times. Like I said, this is not a perfect thing. And you know, if you want to, you could also glue the books. That's an option also. You could glue them so you know they don't move around. But and then all you do is get them together, and you just wrap it around a couple times. Cut, and then just gonna tie it back here, just like that. Do a double tie in the back and just cut it real close so you don't see. So we have that. Okay. Some burlaps have like different like strings just chilling, hanging out. So we have that, and then you could put a little thing on top. So let me go get that. So what I did, I grabbed these. These are super, I think I got these at Walmart a long time ago, but I'm just gonna cut that and just place it right here and make it super cute, and you're done. That is it. And then you could place it with other things, you know, I'm gonna show you guys, but this is how you make this famous book that everybody is loving it. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And you could use anything. You guys could use glitter, you guys could use flowers, different types of flowers, or if you want to just do a neutral and do something like this, you're more than welcome to. It's whatever you guys want. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for different DIYs that I do, and I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks so much, guys. Till next time. Bye.